Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Gamepass in Please Donate in Roblox. Okay, so first we need to log into our Roblox account in roblox.com in your browser. And then once you're in here, just tap on Create at the top menu and you will be directed to your Creator Hub. So once you're in your Creator Hub, just go to your dashboard. And then you will see here all your experiences. So remember that all Roblox players have an experience. So you just have to click for your own experience. And then on the left side menu, you just have to scroll all the way down until you find the passes. And as you can see here, I already create a 2 game pass in here and I already put it on my Please Donate. So what we need to do is to create a new pass. Just tap the create a pass and then you will be needing to upload a picture or logo or what is the item that you are selling. And then you have to put a name for the items that is for sale. So for example, I'll be putting platinum in here, and you can also add some descriptions about the item that you want to sell. And once you're done, just go ahead and click the create pass. So just wait for it to download. So as you can see here, it's not yet for sale, it's off sale. So what we need to do is click the off sale word, and then on the left side menu again, just go ahead and click the sales menu and then toggle the item for sale. So in here you need to put an amount. So for example, 15 Robux. Remember that 70% will go to you and the remaining 30% will be on Roblox. So that's it, guys, and once you're done, just save the changes you've made. So after making a game pass, we need to go back to our Roblox and then we have to go to our Please Donate game, and then we will activate or post the game pass we've just made in our stall. So that's it, guys. That's how to make game pass in Please Donate Roblox. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.